Hello, you guys. I thought it'd be fun for me to sit down in my office and do my makeup. I haven't done my makeup in my office. Quit eating the plants! I haven't done my makeup in my office in, I want to say, like 8 months. It's been a long time. I kind of want to play some products I've been neglecting. So I thought, I was like, you know what? Why not? Let's play with makeup. I'm kind of like all over the place. I don't know what I want to. I have this one that I bought for Makeup Forever, this foundation that I bought a while ago, and I haven't used it. But the thing is, I don't really know what shade I am right now in my like non-unique makeup. I don't know what shade I am right now, so I'm like, ooh. Sorry if I'm like out of breath. I'm like nervous right now. I don't know why I'm so nervous. So I am going to hydrate. This is Cactus Water Moisturizer by Boscia. I am going to hydrate my skin since I am going to be risky and use a matte foundation, and I don't have oily skin. So we will see. I don't want to dry my skin out. The e.l.f. Poreless one, I haven't used this in a hot minute. Going to, let's see, I still don't know how to do this. Like, I'm so scared right now, you guys. Like, I feel like I'm doing my makeup for the first time, even though I've, you know, just because I haven't used these products and it's probably all expired. Oh god, it's probably all expired. Now I know how other people feel when they have like the same thing like they use all the time. Like, I used to never use the same thing, so it's like I was cool with it, but now I usually use the same thing, so I'm like, I also have the HD stick, so I'm like, ooh, maybe I should mix these. You know what? Let's get risky. Let's mix. Now, I'm sad because I'm obsessed with my stick foundation for Unique. I'm like, but I don't know if I want to use this one because I know that this one kind of fades a little bit, and it's not as like full coverage, but it does match me perfectly right now. So we will wing it. We'll do this one, and then we'll do a little bit of like the other one. I think I'm gonna do this one with a little bit of this one. This is the Studio Skin from Smashbox. Put some of this on. I want to use a brush or a sponge. I don't even know. Like, I don't know how to do my makeup anymore. Oh, wow. It's like I'm almost trying to like I'm like, how do I explain this? It's like someone who like has a passion, right? And then they like step away from it just because of things. And it's like they're like rediscovering their passions. And I feel like that's where I'm at in life right now. Let's do concealer. This NARS one. I remember I used to love this one. Still smells fine. It doesn't smell like it went bad. So we'll give it a go. I'm gonna pick up some of this. Oh God. I'm so scared right now. I don't know how to do this. Do I use sponge? It's been so long, guys. I forgot how to do makeup. What is wrong with me? I don't know. I don't really like this one either, but this is the one that's in front of me and I can't find my Unique one. My goal is to like not use Unique products, but it's like I'm a creature of habit, so that looks nice. In the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish, and I'm gonna just take like a pointed powder brush because I'm gonna do a light set under the eye for now. I'm not baking yet, but this is just so that nothing will crease. Like, so I'm just gonna set like right in here, areas where I'm like creasing already. Go through with a loose powder. I wanted to mix in two, so I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill Mood Light. I'm obsessed with this, you guys. It's so good. Mix it in with this one right here. This is the Unique Touch Behold Prime and Set Powder. I'll do a little concoction of those ones. So I'm gonna take some of the Mood Light. That's a lot. Whoops. I'm gonna take some of this and dip it in there, and we will swirl it around. Okay, and now I'm just gonna take my sponge, and now we're gonna go through and like set it. Woohoo! There we go. Gosh, I love this prime and set powder so much. That is looking how I want my face to look. Go up here to the forehead. It's just so nice. So nice. Okay, now I really need to watch House Bunny. So nice. My Makeup Forever Aqua Brow. This is something I use on a rare occasion. It's mostly like what I would use for the beach because it's 100% waterproof. But it definitely is one of their more artist products, so for Makeup Forever, so it's a little bit trickier. Because like once it's there, like it's there. You have to be pretty careful. So it's like really, I like this product for like specific clients. If they're doing like a beach shoot and they're gonna be in the water, or on like wedding days, I like to use this brow product on them because they don't have to worry about it, because a lot of people get married outside here, so I want something that isn't gonna sweat off. And you can have like the dopest like brow pencil, but eventually like after dancing, being out in the heat, just like all the people, it's a little bit trickier. But this is like, it's like a brow paint. Take the Hoola Caramel. Let's just hope this goes really well. I have good days and bad days with this bronzer. I love the color, but they change, I swear they changed the formula because the regular Hoola is much easier to apply. This one gets tricky. It's almost like too soft. But now that I've been at the beach a couple times, I'm like incredibly tan, so this is the only one that I can use right now. Like a little bit, like you have to be so careful with this bronzer. I love the shade of it though. It's so darn pretty that I'm like, is it worth it? Yes, it is. Yeah, that's a really pretty shade, you guys. Just again, you have to be like really, really careful with this one. Let's do a little bit of blush. I pulled out the Benefit Cheekathon palette. This is the original one. I'm gonna be mixing Coralista and Rockateur. I'm gonna mix those two together for my blush. I love Coralista. I think it's so pretty. Ah, that's so pretty. It has like a really pretty like golden sheen to it. I think it's stunning. Pretty. 24 karat one. Or maybe I just want to use two because I don't want to do like the same things I always do. I'm just gonna go on number 2. I don't think I've used this with you guys on camera. I think I did on my Facebook, but that was forever ago. Gosh, I have a headache right now. But it's like not like a hurts, it's like a head nausea headache, if that makes any sense at all. I'm gonna go in with Love Handles. I'm gonna coat the brush. It's a little oranger than I thought it'd be. I don't even know what I'm doing, you guys. I'm just going in. It's a little bit, a little too pink for me. I'm gonna actually slide over to Comfort Zone, which is right next to it. And it's like a warm brown. I don't know if I like these, or how about Homebody? See, like, you guys, now it's like, I don't know what color I want to use. Okay, so I'm liking Homebody. That's really pretty. A lot. I'm really gonna like stamp this up here. Take a fluffier brush now. And I'm just going to blend that out. It's like no product on this brush. I'm gonna grab just like a little bit of Love Handles very lightly to help blend that out. Smooth that out all the way out to the brow bone. I'm not pulling, I'm just like touching my hand here just to keep my lid skin nice and still because it's very finicky. I'm gonna go in with G Money, which is like a really dark brown, warm dark brown. And I'm just gonna continue to build up this outer portion right here. Okay. I need to blend out this edge over here, so I'm just gonna take a clean brush and I'm gonna blend it inwards, if that makes sense, because I don't want to keep extending it out. So I'm just gonna take a clean brush and take all the extra pigment that's over here and just kind of like sweep it inwards. See that already starts to buff it out a little bit. And I'm gonna take some more of G Money and just bring it down below like so. Okay, so I'm gonna take Flamed and Odd, which is the shimmer right next to G Money. I'm gonna take this one right here. It's not like super glittery. I want something a little bit more subtle. So I'm just gonna pick this up and just kind of like lay it on top of there. And then just buff it out with the blending brush from before. So now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face again. I grabbed the Physicians Formula. This is like a really wet looking highlighter, so I gotta be careful with this one. I'm gonna go in with champagne and mix a little bit of rose gold and a little bit of pearl. I'm kind of mixing all three of them together. I'm gonna take a small brush with the gold and I'm gonna lighten up my inner corner. Make it nice and bright, like that. And then a little bit down the bridge of the nose. And I'm just going to touch that up here and touch it up here. Not putting on actual lashes, you guys. I'm just going to do mascara. I'm gonna take a lash primer. While that dries for a minute, I'm gonna go ahead and do a lip color. I don't know what color I want to do though, just because I'm gonna have a mask on the whole time, so I'm like, do I bother? But for the sake of the video, I really want to do a lip product. So, oh, I know, I want to go in with Jeffree Star Leo. That's what I want to do. There we go. Yep, okay. And now I'm going to take the 40 Epic Mascara. All right, so my makeup, you guys, it's pretty good. I definitely want to break out my camera and really start doing, oh god, sorry, that was bugging me, and really start doing this again. I do miss this. I'll let you know how I feel about the makeup because I haven't used these products in like forever, and I'm kind of on the fence about how I feel just because there were a lot of hiccups, and I mean, it's possible it's just because I'm used to my other products, but I don't know. It just feels like it's like not natural, and I don't know, you guys, but I have to get to work. I love you guys, and I will see you soon.